And the best part is glass. A full balcony with great mountain views and views of Coors Field, home of the Colorado Rockies. One of my favorite things about this unit is the amazing kitchen. It's a chef's dream with sleek cabinets, Viking appliance package, sub-zero refrigerator, solid surface countertops, and it's open to the rest of this floor. As you come into the master bedroom, you've got a great walk-in closet and a really expansive room with great sunlight, again with mountain views. The master bathroom is also pretty cool. It offers 2 dual sinks with solid surface countertops, an awesome deep soaking tub, and a really big shower with jets. Who wouldn't love to be here? It's like a spa. I'm Carrie Wernecke. Welcome to Unit 709 in the Z Lofts, 2029 Blake Street.